Welcome to Healthy Week on $50, Grocery Haul and Meal Prep. Today we're going to tackle a common challenge, eating healthy on a tight budget. If you've ever felt that eating well costs too much, this video is for you. We'll show you how to plan, shop, and prepare delicious, nutritious meals for an entire week, all while sticking to a $50 budget. Get ready to transform your approach to groceries and meal prep. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your name/channel name, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey. We're gonna prove that you don't need a massive budget to fuel your body with wholesome, delicious food. This isn't just about saving money, it's about making healthy eating accessible and sustainable for everyone. So what's the big idea? Our goal for this video is simple yet impactful. Eat healthy for an entire week on a strict $50 grocery budget. This means planning every meal, making smart shopping choices, and getting creative in the kitchen. It's a challenge, but one that will empower you with practical skills and show you just how much you can achieve with mindful spending. Why is this challenge so important right now? In today's economy, food costs are rising, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the price tag of healthy options. Many people believe that eating well is a luxury, but I'm here to tell you that's not true. This challenge will demonstrate how to make healthy eating a reality, even when every dollar counts. It's about empowering you to take control of your nutrition and your finances. Before we even step foot in the grocery store, the key to success lies in meticulous planning and a solid strategy. This isn't a spontaneous shopping trip. It's a well-thought-out mission to maximize every dollar. A little preparation goes a long way in preventing impulse buys and ensuring you get everything you need without exceeding your budget. Our first step is meal planning. Before you make your shopping list, decide exactly what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the entire week. This prevents food waste and helps you buy only what's necessary. Think about meals that use similar ingredients, allowing you to buy in bulk or utilize leftovers efficiently. This is where the magic of budget-friendly, healthy eating truly begins. Next, we're focusing on staples and versatile ingredients. These are the workhorses of a budget-friendly kitchen. Items like oats, rice, beans, frozen vegetables, and eggs. They're generally inexpensive, have a long shelf life, and can be incorporated into countless dishes. This strategy ensures you have a solid foundation for your meals without spending a fortune on specialty items. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. Here's my carefully crafted shopping list. I've broken it down by category to make shopping efficient. This list is designed to give us enough variety for the week, hitting all the essential food groups, while keeping a close eye on the budget. Every item on this list has a purpose, and we'll utilize it to its fullest. And now for the main event, the grocery haul. I'm heading to mentioned store type, e.g., a local discount grocery store /Aldi/Trader Joe's, because I found it offers the best prices for quality produce and pantry staples. Remember, where you shop can make a huge difference in your total spend, so choose wisely. Here's everything I managed to get for our $50 challenge. As you can see, we have a fantastic variety: fresh produce, lean protein, grains, and some dairy. It's a full cart that looks far more expensive than it actually was. I'll lay it all out so you can see exactly what we're working with. Let's highlight some of the cost-effective heroes in this haul. Frozen fruits and vegetables are often cheaper than fresh, and just as nutritious. Canned beans and lentils are incredibly affordable protein sources. Oats are a budget breakfast champion, and large bags of rice offer excellent value. These are the types of items you want to load up on when budgeting. Now, for the numbers. I'll go through each item and its price point, showing you exactly how I stayed within budget. The total for this haul came to, reveal exact total, e.g., $48.75, leaving us with, e.g., $1.25 to spare. This demonstrates that with careful selection and a little planning, eating healthy on $50 is absolutely achievable. Every cent was accounted for, and we got incredible value. With our groceries in hand, it's time for the exciting part: meal ideas and prep. This is where we transform our ingredients into delicious and nourishing meals for the week. Meal prepping saves time during busy weekdays and ensures you stick to your healthy eating goals. For breakfast, we're keeping it simple, affordable, and nutritious. Oatmeal is a fantastic base. You can add frozen fruit, a touch of cinnamon, or even a spoonful of peanut butter for extra protein and flavor. Eggs are another versatile option: scrambled, hard-boiled, or in an omelet with some of our veggies. These options are quick, filling, and budget-friendly. Lunch and dinner will primarily revolve around versatile combinations. Think rice and beans with sautéed veggies, or a hearty lentil soup. We can also create simple salads with our leafy greens, adding canned tuna or hard-boiled eggs for protein. The key is to mix and match ingredients to create varied and satisfying meals throughout the week, without getting bored. To maximize our ingredients and minimize waste, here are a few quick tips. Batch cook grains like rice or quinoa at the beginning of the week. Chop all your vegetables at once for easy grab-and-go additions to meals. Utilize every part of your produce. Even carrot tops can be used in pesto. And don't forget to freeze leftovers if you have too much, to enjoy later. Now for the moment of truth, the budget breakdown, and some final tips to help you replicate this success. Understanding where your money goes is crucial for sustainable, healthy eating. Let's recap our total spending for the week. We started with $50, and our final grocery bill came in at, reiterate exact total, e.g. $48.75, leaving us with, reiterate remaining amount, e.g. $1.25. This proves that it's not just possible, but quite manageable, to eat healthily on a strict budget. It's all about strategic planning and smart choices. To consistently stick to your budget and make healthy eating affordable, here are some key tips. Always create a meal plan before you shop, make a detailed grocery list and stick to it, compare prices at different stores, buy seasonal produce, and don't be afraid of frozen or canned goods. Cooking at home is almost always cheaper and healthier than eating out, so embrace your kitchen. And there you have it, a full week of healthy eating on a $50 grocery budget. I hope this video has inspired you and shown you that eating well doesn't have to break the bank. It just requires a little planning, some smart shopping, and a willingness to get creative in the kitchen. We've successfully planned, shopped, and prepped a week's worth of nutritious meals, all while staying well within our $50 budget. This challenge wasn't just about saving money. It was about demonstrating the power of mindful consumption and showing you how accessible healthy food can be. Now it's your turn. I encourage you to try the $50 Healthy Week Challenge yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've done it, or what your best tips are for budget-friendly healthy eating. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy healthy eating.